Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walked away. If only I knew what I know today. Ooh, ooh. I will hold you in my arms. I will take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive you all mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And never hurt myself, my heart in you. Some days I feel broken inside, but I wanna mend. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's you and me. And it's so hard to say goodbye when it comes to this. Would you tell me I was wrong? Would you tell me I understand? Are you looking down upon me? Are you proud of who I am? There's nothing I wouldn't do to have just one more chance to look into your eyes and see you looking back. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do and never hurt myself. Oh, would you help me understand? I would tell you how much that I miss you since you've been away. Oh, it's dangerous. It's all not a run to try and turn back time. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do and never hurt myself. My heart